The utilization rate and calorific value of water washing coal are higher than that of raw coal, the impurities are removed by water washing coal, and the transportation cost is lower. The performance of water washing ball pressing machine affects the stable operation of the ball pressing machine. So how to detect the performance of water washing ball pressing machine? From the actual situation of ball press maintenance. 1. The method of identifying the technical status of the water washing ball pressing machine without checking the equipment by the intuitive feeling of the inspectors. This method is simple, and it is easy to distinguish most of the defects of the ball press in the maintenance of the ball press. Therefore, this method is still useful. However, this method cannot be used to check the ball press with high accuracy requirements, and the inspectors should have rich experience. 2. A large number of inspection work is carried out with instruments and tools. Due to the different working principles and types of instruments and tools, they can be divided into general measuring tools, special measuring tools, ball press instruments and optical instruments, electronic instruments, etc.